Side. Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to be introducing a brand new learner driver, or like it says in the title, my next victim. So for those of you who are regular viewers, know that as well as the mock driving tests that I upload weekly, I've done driving lessons with my niece, who is Taz, and Brandon, my nephew, and we filmed their driving lesson journey from scratch, from the first lesson up until the day of the driving test. And now I'll be doing the same again. Since Brandon's passed his driving test, which has been a few months ago, I've taken a bit of a break from the lessons. The main reason for that was I was waiting for this learner driver to turn 17, and he just turned 17 yesterday. And yes, it is another nephew, and yeah, I think it's just time to introduce him, really. I'll give him a shout, just standing outside. Hi guys. So guys, this is Rajan Binning, and yeah, you're ready for lessons then, aren't you?
Yeah, already. I can't wait, to be honest.
So turned 17 yesterday, and yeah, we'll be uploading this video in a couple of days. And so Raj, tell us a bit about yourself, what you're doing at the moment. Are you at school or what?
At the moment I'm at sixth form, just studying, and yeah, it's alright, to be honest, but I just can't wait to learn to drive. I mean, it's not gonna like come in handy or anything yet because it's nearby, but it's just something I've always loved ever since like a young age. Always been passionate.
Yeah, you know what, so Rajan, yeah, he's been into cars since a kid, I think.
Yeah, since very young.
And yeah, so for that reason, I think it's gonna make it a little bit easier teaching.
Yeah.
Hopefully it is, but we'll find out soon enough, won't we?
Yeah.
Okay. We won't be starting the lessons until about 2 weeks time. I've got a few things to sort out because I want to make sure I can give you regular weekly lessons. Yeah. And yeah, how you feeling about doing lessons and being on YouTube? And
I'll be honest, I am a bit nervous because it's going to be my first time and I'm going to make a few mistakes, and with you, when there's mistakes, you do like to take the mick, but
take the mick.
Yeah, you do. Everyone knows, trust me. That's what makes the videos the best.
So, you know what, I don't intentionally try and do it. You know when you guys make a mistake?
Yeah.
It's like, there's nothing I can do about it. Obviously, I can help you out with it, yeah. But that's not me taking the mick. It's just obviously we're showing people the mistakes, yeah, and that's what people learn from. But to me, it's like, it's a big thing putting yourself out there and obviously allowing me to film every single lesson. Yeah, because yeah, you are going to make mistakes, yeah, and a lot of you do be scared about what are people going to think. But trust me, you know, these people who watch and follow, all these subscribers and viewers, most of them are absolutely brilliant. Trust me, guys. Just show not Brandon. I said Brandon. Show Rajan some love in the comments, please. Yeah, and yeah, trust me, you got nothing to worry about. Yeah. So first lesson is going to be in a couple of weeks' time. Yeah.
Yeah.
So one thing that you have to do, yeah, obviously I think we'll do another lesson beforehand, like in preparation for your first lesson. Yeah. But one thing that you can do from now, yeah, is what's the one thing that I recommend in all of my videos to learners?
To watch your videos on the ultimate driving course.
That's it, good. Yeah. The reason for that, especially on your first few lessons, because what happens is, obviously instructors, they have to give you the knowledge of the car, the controls and whatnot, yeah. And you know, on a first lesson, it's like a lot of learners expect to be driving. Yeah. I was obviously not driving out on the main roads, but at least like spending most of the lesson moving and stopping the car. Yeah. Not sitting there listening about the controls. I don't know. Some people might like that. Yeah. But in my experience, like I said, a lot of learners want to get moving. Yeah. On the first lesson, and obviously to get all that knowledge across about the controls, some instructors do take a long time. Obviously, if you don't get all that knowledge across in detail, it will take a good 40 to 45 minutes. Yeah. And but if you've watched the first, I should watch the first 3 videos. Yeah. And by watching them, that's going to give you the knowledge. Yeah. I'll still ask you a few questions. Yeah. On the topic, just to make sure you've checked, just to check that you have watched the videos. Yeah. Okay. But then that'll save us a lot of time. I won't have to go through everything. Yeah. That's what the course is there for. Yeah, and even after a driving lesson, you can just So say we've done something you didn't kind of understand it, you can just go and watch the videos. It'll make a lot more sense to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you got to make sure you do stick to that. It's going to save us a lot of time.
Yeah, because we want to get out there straight away, don't we?
Yep. Like I said, to me, I think, like I said, with this one, I think we're gonna try and get you through as quick as possible. I don't want this to be, obviously with Brandon we had COVID in the middle and it just seemed it went on forever.
Yeah.
And we might even do more than one lesson a week. We'll start off with one, and then obviously after you pass your theory we can speed up. We can even get a test date, and we are going to let everyone know when your test is as well.
Okay,
so the pressure's always going to be on you.
Yeah.
Okay. But anything you want to say?
Just thank you, and
Yeah, thank you for the nice comment. I mean,
yeah, thank you. Hopefully, I mean, you're always going to get those people that saying this or that, but you just got to ignore them.
Don't worry about that. Yeah, like I said, the majority of people are brilliant. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it then. This is Rajan, guys, and he is going to be the next Linen driver, which you'll be seeing on the channel every week, and looking forward to the lessons.
Yeah.
And guys, like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
See you guys.